Hello, boys.
చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay, boys. Last class. Hello.
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
Hey, వస్తాను రా. Hello.
సార్
Hello, boys. Boys.
Morning, sir.
Boys. Last class we discussed about a poster. The poster is how to create. The poster is how to create two related topic. I already gave you yesterday. What is that? We announced a school. Announced the Freshers Day party. For that, we are welcoming all of the society, and for that basis, we have prepared a poster. How many members we created that? Tell me. How many members created that? Mukesh Kumar. Mukesh Kumar.
సార్
Unmute check.
సార్
Mute the betu. Mute the betu. Okay, boys. Last class. So 1 or 2 persons will respond to me. Last class I gave you one poster to created by Kandukuru Laughing Club. The same way we create the Freshers Day party in our school conducted by Satvedu 10th class students to
Yes, sir.
welcoming Freshers Day party. So that is the content I gave you last. So that means yesterday. How many members did do that? How many members did do that? Please respond. Any one of the student, please respond. Dilip Chakravarti,
Yes, sir.
can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Can you do that? Yes, you can do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. But then today we are going to discuss. Today we are how to create. Just give me a 2 or 3 matters. Dilip,
Sir, చెప్పండి sir.
you created a poster about welcoming party Freshers Day in our school.
Yes, sir.
Which things you can follow and how you what is your creation? Whether it is show or send it to me. Babu, దాన్ని చూపిస్తావా లేదంటే నాకు సెండ్ చేస్తావా?
Send yes.
Last class.
Send yes.
Okay, of course, it may be showing all of the students, remaining students also seen that picture. Just showing, boys. Just show.
Yes, sir. We want to see
Dilip.
it, sir.
Dilip. You just
Sir.
show the
Sir,
picture.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్ చూపిస్తాను.
Okay. I will wait. Remaining boys, you just observe
Yes,
who
sir.
do not the work. Who do
Yes,
not
sir.
the work, yesterday I gave you that the students who do not the work. Just you observe the picture created by Mr. Dilip Chakravarti. Mr. Dilip Chakravarti is showing a picture to you. He created. What Chakravarti? Dilip.
He is making, sir.
Now you can making. Okay, let it leave.
No,
Let it
not.
leave. Best.
చేసిన సార్ ఇప్పుడు ముందే అబ్బాయి ముందే చేశారు సార్. No.
What about boy? Dilip? Whether it is ready or not?
సార్ ఇదే అని సార్ రాయమన్నారు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇచ్చిన కందుకూరి లైఫ్ లాఫింగ్ క్లబ్
That
ఇది
is the
మన
example.
school
You created our function. MJP school will conducted Freshers Day function. Not exact for that. For that standard, we created a Freshers Day function voucher. Okay, leave it by. Leave it. Then we are going to now today's
Okay,
class.
sir.
Today's class he has. Now I will send you some photos. So what is that? You can reply me.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Boys, what is this?
Cricket ball, sir.
Cricket, sir.
Cricket ball.
Cricket?
Cricket ball.
Cricket ball.
Cricket ball.
Very good. Very good.
Odo.
Next. Another slide I will send you now. Another
Sir.
slide I will send you now.
Yes, sir.
Then this one,
Yes,
boy.
sir.
This is. This is.
Yes, sir. Free fire.
What
Free
is
Fire,
that?
sir.
Free Fire. What is that?
Free Fire, sir.
Game, sir. Video game,
Are
sir.
you liking very much?
Video game. Yes, sir.
Video game.
Are you liking very much?
Yes, sir.
Video game, sir. Free Fire.
Okay.
I like that, sir.
And one more. And one
Yes, sir.
more. One more, boys.
Sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
This is. This is.
Game pin, sir. Video game.
Video game, sir. Remote game, sir.
Joystick. Joystick.
Joystick.
What?
Joystick, sir.
Okay.
Joystick.
Okay.
Game is images.
One more thing. And one more thing.
Yes, sir.
I'll send you now. This is. Guys, this is.
Video of cricket. Cricket, sir.
Cricket, sir. Cricket, sir.
Cricket ground, sir.
Cricket ground, sir.
Cricket players, sir. Cricket players.
Next, one more slide I will send you. One more.
Sir,
slide I will
some noise is
send
coming, sir.
you. Boys, one more. What is this? What is this? Hello, boys.
Mental game, sir.
Huh?
మైండ్
Mind game or mental game.
గేమ్
Let it be read the there.
The game is a mental game where the object is to avoid thinking about the game
Loudly,
itself.
boys.
About the game itself.
The game is a mental game where the objective is to avoid thinking about the game itself.
Oh,
Sir.
సార్
see, boys.
Sir.
See, boys.
సార్
The game
Sir.
is a mental
Game
Game.
where the objective is to avoid
thinking
thinking
about the game itself.
Object is avoiding thinking
About the game constitutes the laws which must be announced each time it occurs. Depending on the variation of the game, the whole world or all those aware of the game are playing it all the time. See, boys, the game. What is the game? Whatever the game, either cricket or golf or anything else, the game is depends on their minds. And their mindset, the players' mindset. Okay.
Okay,
This
sir.
game is mental game. The game is
Sir.
mental game. Whatever the
Mental
game.
game.
And where the objective is
Mental
to
game, sir.
avoid.
Avoid thinking about game
Maybe
itself.
Objective is to avoid thinking about the game itself.
Itself.
Game itself.
Itself.
Thinking about the game constitutes laws which must be announced to each time to accuse depending on the variation of the games. But that variation is the old game or all those aware of the games. So that means
Addi.
here the related now the relation
No, it's
is
not the game.
our topic master of
Yeah,
the
Galish, pray.
game.
Hackadi.
Listening activity, master of the game. Master of the game. Listening activity, master of the game. See guys, an old man who lived in a small side street in the city of Mumbai had to put up with the nuisance of having boys play cricket outside his house at night. One evening, when the boys were particularly noisy, he went out to talk to them. Went out to talk to them and asked. He explained that he was a pensioner who was happiest when he could see or hear boys playing his favorite game. Boys playing his
Favorite game.
favorite game, cricket. He
Yes, sir.
said
Cricket,
he would
kabaddi.
give them 25 rupees each week to play in the street at night. The boys were thrilled. They were being paid to do something they enjoyed. At the end of the first week, they knocked at the old man's house and asked to paid. He did so. The second week, when they asked for a payment, he said he had run out of money and sent them away with only 15 rupees. Third week, the man said he had not yet received his pension and gave them only 10 rupees. The boys were very disappointed, but there was not much they could do about it. The fourth week, the man said he could not afford to pay them 25 rupees as he had promised, but he would give them 5 each week without a fail. This was too much for the boys. You expect us to play 7 days a week for a measly 5 rupees. They yelled, "Go to blazes!" They stormed away and never played on the street again. So guys, here the writer says to hear the listening activity, the story has given to us. Guys,
Sir.
the story has given to us. Hello?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Guys,
Sir.
who stopped the video? Hello?
Sir.
Sir. Kaban, sir.
Boys,
Sir. Sir.
After that, see, I send a master of the game. The slide already I send you. The slide already I send you. Now, one more time, I will send that the same thing. This is the very important slide of this one. What is that? The mind game. The mental game or the mind game here. The mental is depends on logical game playing. So it is not a disease. It's a mental game. Then here a old man. Then here a old man is said, what happened? The old man is going to stop the cricket playing in night times by the children. So that's why he can play a trick on the students. So that is the master of the game. He is playing. He is actually not playing the game, but his mind is playing the game. See here, an old man who lived in a small side street in the city of Mumbai, where the man is lived. Boys,
Mumbai.
the man is
Mumbai.
lived Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Okay, boys, Mumbai. So here the city is Mumbai, and one more thing, who making sounds? Then after that, the city of Mumbai had to put up with the nuisance of having boys play cricket outside his house at night. So here, this is the problem of an old man, that the night time the children is playing then outside of his house. So when they are playing cricket, some noise comes out. It is the disturbance of the old man. So that's why he put in a mental idea to stop the game by the students at night times from that area. In that area. One evening, when the boys were particularly noisy, Here, what is that? The meaning is noisy, making sound. Making sound. That sound is loudly. So that making sound is loudly, it is a disturbance of the old man. So he went out to talk to them. Who went to talk to them? Boys. Who went to talk to them? An old man. Then here an old man lived in a city of Mumbai street side. So that's why the person he went out to talk to them, he explained that he was a pensioner. The person is already retired person. So from his job, so that's why he explained that he was a pensioner who was happiest when he could see or hear the boys playing his favorite game, cricket. He said he would give them 25 rupees each week to play in the street at night. The boys were thrilled. See here, the old man is told to the boys. Then here, what the old man said to the boys? Who was happiest when he could see or hear the boys playing his favorite game? Then, while they are playing his favorite game, the students or the children, who is happiest man or who is happiest person? He said he would give them 25 rupees in each week. We'll give 25 rupees in each week. They were being paid to do something they enjoyed. After that, at the end of the first week, at the end of the first week, they knocked at the old man's house and asked to pay it. He did so. Yes, then finally the boys playing cricket entire the week and knocked the old man's house and asked to them what the old man said to the boys. So here the boys asked, he did so. He did so. The second week, the first week, the old man give 25 rupees of the for the boys, and the second week, then the second week, when they asked for payment, he said he had run out of money and sent them away without only 15 rupees. Then what is happened? Then the second week, he gave just only 15 rupees. Then he less the 10 rupees of the total of. Just the second week, the old man give only 15 rupees to the boys. Then here, for the reason, the old man said of the reason, said to the boys, what is that? Boys, my money is run out of my money. My money is run out. So that's why I gave you 15 rupees for this week. I give you 15 rupees for this week. The third week, the man said he had not yet received his pension and gave them only 10 rupees. Can you boys? Boys, the third week, what happened? Just he give them 10 rupees only. Just he give them 10 rupees only. For that causes yet received. What yet received? The third week, the man said he had not yet received his pension. The third week, he didn't getting money. He didn't getting money. That is the reason told by the old man to the students, and he just given them only 10 rupees. The boys were very disappointed. The boys were very disappointed. So here what is happened? The old man is playing mind game to stop the cricket at the night time in that area. So here that mind game is not understanding of the boys here. The boys were very disappointed, but there was not much they could do about it. Then here what happened? There was not much they could do about it. Then here, when they are disappointed, the boys are disappointed, and also their playing game is also not interested to do that about it. The fourth week, the man said he could not afford to pay them 25 rupees as he had promised, but would give them 5 each week without a fail. Then first week he said what happened? The first week he gave 25 rupees, and the second week he gave 15 rupees. Then the third week he gave only 10 rupees. Then the fourth week the old man told to the students what happened. They said could not afford to pay them 25 rupees. From fourth week he said to the students, I do not give you 25 rupees. As in place of 25 rupees, I will give you only 5 rupees in each week without a fail. Then every week he gave 25, 15, 10, and this week he has given
5 rupees.
5 rupees only. And then what he said, just he has given to them only 5 rupees in each week without fail. Then remaining weeks are how much amount he will give the students? Remaining, this is the 4th week. Okay, boys, this is the 4th week. Then remaining 3 weeks he just given how much of amount? Without fail, he just given only 5 rupees. After that, this was too much for the boys. This was the too much for the boys who expect us to play 7 days a week for a measly 5 rupees. Then the students is asked to, or then the students is asked to the old man, you expect us playing 7 days a week for a measly, or as a 5 rupees. They yelled, go to blazes. Here, all of the students is very disappointed in a days. How much of amount he has given to their 15,
Rupees.
10, and 5.
5.
What is the amount of their? 15, 10, and 5. 30, and 25. What is the amount? 55. Remaining 3 days, the game by the students at night time in his area. So here, then the old man is mentally stopped, but physically is not stopping the game. Then here, the game is always a mind game. So like that, it is a given. Okay, boys. Now, any one of the student, you just read what I discuss with you. Any one of the student who has a textbook. Boys, please respond. Boys,
Sir.
boys. Hello, boys.
Sir.
Respond me. You just read out of the master of the game. You
Sir.
just read out. You just read out any one of the student, please. Dilip Chakravarti, Kartik Kumar, Arvind, Rohit, Hruday, Kumar. Any one of the student, you just read out.
Sir, back camera పెట్టండి సార్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో
సార్ చదువుతాను సార్.
Okay, okay. Page number 131.
Sir, show sir
Page
back.
number 131.
సార్ చదువుతాను.
Okay, okay, you carry
Slide
on.
పెట్టండి సార్.
You are not having textbooks, please.
No sir.
No, sir.
Okay, boys.
An old man who lived in a small side street in the city of Mumbai had to put up with the sir Kanapada sir.
Huh?
Sir, I will read, sir.
Yes, we can read.
An old man who lived in a small side street in the city of Mumbai had to put up with the nuisance of having boys play cricket outside his house at night. One evening, when the boys were particularly noisy, he went out to talk. He went out to talk to them. He explained that he was a pensioner who was happiest when he could see or hear boys playing his favorite game, cricket. He said would give them rupees 25 each week to play in the street at night. The boys were thrilled. They were being paid to do something they enjoyed. At the end of the first week, they knocked at the old man's house and asked to be paid. He did so. The second week, when they asked for payment, he said had run out of money and sent them away with only rupees 15. The third week, the man said he had not yet received his pension and had and gave them only rupees 10. The boys were very disappointed, but there was not much they could do about it. The fourth week, the man said he could not afford to pay them rupees 25 as he had promised, but would give them 5 each week without fail. This was too much for the boys. You expect us to play 7 days a week for a measly rupees 5, they yelled. Go to blazes. They stormed away and never played on the street again.